did a survey with the World Bank and IFC to see what was the problem. And number one, if you ask the women, number one was access to finance. Yes, I'm running a business, I need it to grow. I cannot access finance.
We do not reach out to the women basically for borrowing, no. That is not our approach. Our approach is to get these women trained so we can professionalize them. Then once they are professionalized, they'll get to open up accounts and get to understand business. Once they have opened up these businesses, then they'll have an appreciation that I think I now need to borrow.
We've been serving women in all categories, both retail and corporate. And we have some products we have our product called the Women's Choice product. So when you come to the bank and you want to open up an account, we can serve women who are in the markets, who are doing retail, who are doing corporate, who are doing SME, depending on how you've come in.
A lot of women have rejected finance. They qualify for financing based on their ability to pay. But when we speak to them about spousal consent and the fact that their husbands will need to give this consent, they actually decline to take the facility.
The panelists, apart from Dr. Maggie, to convince me on how you're handling a situation where a woman fails to pay back this loan.
Microfinance. They say over 99% of women actually pay their microfinance loans, which are very high, 32% in the year.
Because it has always been described that the situation between bank and customers when it comes to loan is like a wild guy who is calling a lady and you put her in the house and then the next day you're harassing her.
We are concerned with ensuring that our customers, men and women, their best interests, we have their best interests at heart. We encourage the borrowing customers, of course majority are men.
We understand the pain points of our customers and we're designing things to suit the requirements, and our primary customers are female. So we do have products where we charge lower rates.
So we have seen houses being put for sale by a bank, lands being put for sale by a bank, and in my mind I was imagining this poor woman who has put her land as a collateral and has failed to pay back. Now you're running after this very land. So I want you to convince me on how you're handling that situation.
There's no bank represented here that's going to sell your property in 1 month or 2 months or anything like that.
I also sit on a bank board. And non-performing loans, women, very few. Very. Out of this list, maybe one.
Please do go ahead and take loans from banks. That's the safest place you can borrow from. It is the safest place you can borrow from.
Are there measures you put in place? Is there insurance? Is there some sort of way you've educated these women? Are there financial practices and agricultural practices that you've taught them before?
We've been privileged to sign up with a consortium of insurances.
We have actually made it mandatory for our borrowing customers to take all these types of insurance to protect their beneficiaries, and of course these are the women mostly and the children.
We now offer insurance even in the agriculture space, and we're pleased to say government is subsidizing that insurance.
Especially for like our mortgages, mortgage protection, such that if this man passes away and we don't know whether he had a will or what he said in the will, at least we know that the wife and children will not have to pay his loan, that it will be covered by insurance.
So for bigger farmers, those who have irrigation, government subsidizes 30%. For smaller farmers who might face a drought and all that, government is subsidizing to the tune of 50% in terms of the insurance premiums.
We have actually made it mandatory for our borrowing customers to take all these types of insurance to protect their beneficiaries, and of course these are the women mostly and the children.
The second one that they brought up was land. Land both for agriculture but also for collateral.
When we talk about things like spousal consent for borrowing, it is law by the Mortgage Act of 2009. And the same way people dodge, that the men do. Men also complain about it. They do complain. Like, why do you want my mtala and magazachi? They always ask us that when you have to get this consent.
When you begin to talk to the gentlemen in suits, they want to meet your husband.
As banks, we are required to follow the law. When people tell lies, or some people actually go as far as declaring that they are not married. men and women. They say I'm single and even swear on oath that I'm single. And then, of course, when you go to court, and sometimes they connive with each other to go to court and say, I didn't give the spousal consent, so the bank has no mortgage. So as a bank, we have to show that we did due diligence.
You should be probing more. You might be finding out women are moving higher and they don't want the guy to come and just realize from the bank that your wife has a land and we need you to consent.
We have also gone out of the secured facilities because we realized that land and the complexities around land and security will limit us from being able to give finances to customers and to women especially.
When a customer walks into our bank and they open up their account and they are interested or they express interest in joining the Women in Business program, we ask them, what is your need? Do you already have a business? Do you want to start a business? What exactly do you want to do?
The banking industry, I'm sorry to say, everyone is now running away from the banks other than people going to the banks. I wanted to hear the interest rate.
We do have products where we charge lower rates.
We have got a fund at low interest rates. Those who know about the treasury bill rate, the interest at which we are giving the women loans is 13, at most 14.
Thirdly, they had no information.
Just like some of us are hearing about these products for the first time, I can be able to gauge how your awareness or outreach programs have been well done. Because if at our level we are hearing this information for the first time, with a woman at home.
We carry out the sensitization programs with actually the women on ground, or we work with the associations in whichever areas. We have like branches for Centenary Bank, wherever we have branches. We also have women association groups that we work with. So how we reach them, these associations lead us to the grassroots, to the women who may be in need of this kind of product. Yeah.
We are doing some financial literacy. We then go up country, ginger, to still empower them to make better decisions in their businesses and in their families. And we don't stop on that. You know, as women, we have so many issues. You will go to a market and ask a market woman, why haven't you been saving? She says, I've been breastfeeding. I don't know how I will carry this baby to the bank. And so as a bank, we have facilities called the Mama Corners. We have some corners where you can come in. As you carry your baby, as you're rushing, you can change diapers or the baby could sleep and you can get alone.
Women are busy. You're feeding, you're cooking, where do you get time to listen to the radio or the television? You don't. Sit at Kampala Club.
Because we know that these ladies have got a lot of errands to perform in their homes. What we've done as Centenary Bank is to make sure that we put in place Cente Mobile. Cente Mobile beats the mobile kind of money, because you have moved to a kiosk. Cente Mobile, you stay in your bedroom, you use your phone as long as you have a mobile phone to transfer money from your account and pay whoever you want to pay.
Have any measures to educate these women about any best farming practices? Because as you know very well, farming is it's a bit of an unstable business.
When we talk about business, many people tend to think about that woman who is in the garden tilling and that kind of thing. But for us in Centenary Bank, what we've done is to look at the whole cycle from production, processing, and marketing.
Agriculture, we do have experts out there that are teaching good agricultural practices. And we're starting to use technology. On my phone right now on WhatsApp, I have a number of WhatsApp videos of Ugandan people talking in Luganda or the local language of a particular area, where a farmer goes and he's demonstrating this is how you trim or you prune a coffee bush, this is what kind of best practices that help the farmers to boost their yields. And we've seen these farmers, their yields really being boosted.
These are important conversations for the banks. The women. We will explore these conversations during the Celebrating Womanhood Festival Conference on 6th March 2020. Please contact us to confirm your participation. What else than a space where women are celebrating to exhibit your products? We invite banks to exhibit their products during the festival.